Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the cat ear beanie, and I'm going to be using a J hook, just some regular old red heart yarn. And yeah, stay tuned. So what you're going to do is basically chain a chain that's big enough to fit around your head, your desired size, and you want to make sure your chain is straightened out, and you're going to connect the chain with the slip knot. So you're going to chain 2 and you're going to double crochet all the way around. I'm going to come back at the end of this row and I'm going to show you what to do next. So now that you're done with the row, you're going to do your last double crochet, and then you're going to do a slip stitch into the first stitch, and that's what you're going to be doing the whole entire piece. Just double crocheting, slip stitch to join, chain 2. Okay, here I am on my 10th row. I actually did 11 rows. You can do as many as you like. This is just what I choose to do. I'm just coming up on my 10th row. So I'm finishing up my last row, and I'm just going to chain 2, cut my yarn, and fasten off. Then I'm going to show y'all how I sew the 2 pieces together. So now you're going to flip the hat inside out. Every time you sew pieces together, you want to make sure the right sides are facing each other, and you just want to straighten it out. Now some people use a yarn needle. I don't. I just reattach my yarn, and I actually just do single crochets to attach my pieces, as you will see in a minute. Yeah, I'm just using single crochet to attach my pieces, but if you want to use a yarn needle, be my guest. That's just not my thing. Yeah, I'm just attaching all the way across. And basically after that, you just flip your hat inside out, and yeah, you'll be done. Like I said, after that, you're basically done. And this is my cat-eared beanie. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you know when I post more videos. Peace.